Certain English verbs are always followed by gerunds. A gerund is a verb with an ing ending that functions as a noun. Examples of these verbs are enjoy, finish, mind, avoid, and suggest. These patterns are important for natural and correct English conversation. The verb enjoy is used when something gives you pleasure. It is always followed by a gerund. For example, you can say, I enjoy reading books, or she enjoys swimming in the ocean. Remember to use the ing form after enjoy. The verb finish means to complete something. It is followed by a gerund to show that an action has ended. For example, he finished doing his homework. I finished writing the report. Using finish with a gerund shows the action is completely done. Mind is used when asking if something is okay or when expressing willingness. It is always followed by a gerund. For example, do you mind closing the door? Means asking for permission politely. I do not mind waiting here shows willingness to wait. Avoid means to stay away from something or not do something. It is followed by a gerund. For example, she avoids eating junk food. They avoid driving in heavy traffic. Gerunds after avoid refer to actions that are not done to avoid problems or risks. Suggest means to recommend or propose something. It is always followed by a gerund. For example, she suggested going to the beach. He suggested trying the new restaurant. Use the ing form after suggest when recommending activities or ideas. A common mistake is to use to plus a verb after these verbs. For example, it is wrong to say enjoy to swim. The correct form is enjoy swimming. All 5 verbs always need a gerund with ing, never an infinitive with to. The 5 key verbs that must be followed by gerunds are enjoy, finish, mind, avoid, and suggest. Remembering these verbs and their correct usage helps you speak English more naturally and correctly. Now practice using gerunds after verbs. For example, I enjoy reading books. Do you mind closing the window? Fill in the blanks with the correct gerund forms to improve your skills and confidence with these verbs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.